Yes, I'm Roman, and today we will look at some things that Jamaican moms say or do. However, in some sections of the video, I use patois, therefore, don't forget to activate your subtitles. Let's go. Number one, taking the money they gave you that you saved and getting mad at you for being mad that they took the money they gave you that you saved.
Lord have mercy, you know, so I have enough money for sending to school this morning. Rum, give me money where I have a save in the and I bed now. Mom, every time I do the same thing, man, the money I save, you know. Imagine if me never save money, I'm going to use it like everybody else. You wouldn't have nothing for use now. So wait. So you never give the money or you have it.
Number two, when you have disagreements and you give the impression of being an adult.
Who you talk to? You think somebody your size?
Number three, Jamaican moms are one of the hardest working moms that I know. But at the same time, they can be super lazy.
Rum, go scratch my foot for me now.
Number four, whenever you are a little bit rebellious.
Me send it back where you come from, you know.
Number five, whenever a Jamaican mom warns about something and you are acting stubborn.
All who can't hear must feel. Because I'm not warning like stick broke in your ears.
Number six, this is something my mom said to me a lot.
Get up and do something, man. I don't want to eat and sleep right now working at house.
And to be honest, I don't think I was lazy. Maybe I was, I don't know. I know I wasn't the most motivated to do anything, but this brings back so many memories. Number seven, we could never do anything fun.
My thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. And gratitude is a must.
I hope you know your book like you know that song there.
For many Jamaican mothers, the remedy for misbehavior is beating. However, if you're in public and you misbehave, a Jamaican mother might not necessarily beat you then and there. However, what she'll do is promise you a ass beating when you get home.
Watch me later. I'm going to kill your willy.
Question, what's one thing that your mom would often say to you while growing up? And if you did not have an active mom or a mom for whatever reason, what's one thing your dad or the person who played the role of guardian or parent in your life, what's one thing that that person would normally say to you? So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you've not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
No, my mom, me not do it, because every time she do the same thing, me tell her, so wait, it's who of who?